Hi guys, what's up? Congratulations for all those who have cleared CA Inter and moved on to CA Final. And people all those who could not clear it, could not make it due to any reason, aggregate issue, subject individual issue, whatever it is, guys, this time it's the last time. अब की बार आखिरी बार, अब की बार नवंबर पार. नाउ हमारे सामने जो गोल्डन अटेम्प्ट है वो है नवंबर 23, नवंबर 2023. Rolia, you have cried a lot when the result came. Spoke to a lot of people, shared your issues, problems, सब कर लिया. But अब तो हिम्मत उठानी पड़ेगी, करना पड़ेगा, because डेट शीट आ चुकी है. 2nd November exams are starting. You need to start. Gather your courage and let's do it together. Gather your courage. Sir, shall I give only one group? Why? Sir, I cannot do both the groups. Why? There are people who have cleared. Your friends also, you know it, some people, they have cleared. If they can do it, why can't you do it? So it will not happen. Boss, why are you worrying? When I'm recording this video, today is 9th July. July, we have 20 days. August, we have 31 days. September, we have 30 days. October, we have close to, मान लीजिए 2-3 दिन आपका छुट्टी वुट्टी बाबू सोना सब हुआ, मान लीजिए इसका भी 31 days पकड़ ले, पूरा ही पकड़ लेते एक बार तो. And 2nd November exam starts. 2 I assume 12 days you removed it, waste it is health problem, cold, headache, rain problem, electricity problem, Babu's birthday, anniversary of parents, my birthday, your birthday. 100 days. 8 subject. Even if you give 10 days, still 80 days are over. And still 20 days are left. 20 days if you give. So even if I give 24 days I can revise. Close to 24 days. 3 days into 8 subjects you can revise. Guys, you need to start studying. Sir, how do I start? How do I go about it? Firstly, people who have thought I will give only one group, I'll tell you, don't give one group. I give both the groups. Benefit is, group 2 mein, audit mein you have 2 holidays. So audit is sorted. Accounts is generally favorite of everybody. Favorite subject of is accounts, right? Because you're a chartered accountant. So anyways, you can study accounts. And there's no hard work in accounts, right? It's not that hard work. Only you have to manage Eco FM and EISSM. And if you know the guidelines of the institute, in case if you clear group 1 and if you fail group 2, in the new syllabus, you just have to give only what? Audit wala paper and I think EISSM, only 2 paper you have to give. No, FMSM, you have to give FMSM. Audit wala paper and FMSM wala paper. Bas, that's it, only that you have to give. So guidelines आएगा उसकी तरफ भी क्या करना है कैसे करना है. But right now I'm sorted है ना. Sir, I will aim for exemptions. Imagine if I fail in accounts too, or if I fail in EIS also, and I've got exemption in audit, I've got exemption in Eco FM, I am CA Inter clear. Audit mein you can get exemption because 2 holidays are there. Eco FM mein what is the benefits? FM is very interesting, it's practical, you can get exemption. थोड़ा सा hard work करना पड़ेगा. How do I plan, sir? Now I am talking only people for the appearing for both the groups. So 10th July I start studying. 10th July to 31st July. 20 days are there. I will study accounts 1 and I will study my weakest subject EISSM. Weakest subject. 2 subject. 1st August to 10th August, I do costing, I do law. Then 11th August to 20th August, I do Eco FM and audit. Then 21st to 26th August, I do DT plus accounts 2. 27th August to 31st August, I do IDT plus accounts 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All 8 subject done. My deadline is 31st August. This is my studying deadline. In the month of September, 4 days per subject into 8 subjects. 4 8s are 32. I have to finish. There are total 32s I would require, but I will have to finish in 30 days. Okay. October, 3 days, 8 subjects, 8 3s are 24 days. I have to finish in 20 days. Now, 21st October to 25th October, I will do costing plus law. 26th, so first, I will do accounts 1 plus 2-3 days I can study my DT or IDT, whatever I want. 2-3 days, not on 29, 31, but yeah, 2-3 days I can study that. So my group 1 is sorted. Group 2 mein audit mein you have benefit. So this is your study timetable. All those people who have not started studying, appearing for the first time, or people who have not cleared and appearing both the groups, this is your timetable. My deadline is 31st August. 31st August I have to finish everything. Everything means like everything. September mein I will revise full group, both the groups. October again I will revise my both the groups by 20th October. And again I will do it. See, multiple revision will give you marks. Maximum revision will give you marks. You have to have multiple revision. Sir, what if I am giving only one group? So guys, what if you are giving only one group? Same timetable, 10th July to 20th July. Study accounts. Either one you are appearing or accounts 2, whichever group you are giving, okay? Now 21st July to 31st July, costing, either EISSM. Whatever is your weakest, you need to first finish that. 1st August to 10th August, DT, IDT, your Eco FM. Either of the group you are giving. 11th August to 15th August. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 5 days are enough for law, here for audit. So for you, the deadline is 15th August. This is your due date. People appearing either of the group 1 or group 2. 16th August to 31st August. No, 4 subjects. 8 4s are 32. If I take 8 days again. No, I should take 7 days now. To 15th September. 7 days, 4 subject, 28 days. 1-2 days because of health issues you can expect you will not study on that day. Then 16th September again to 10th October. First revision, second revision. Third revision, 11th October to 30th October, 25th October. Third revision, because 26th October say you will study accounts, or in case if you are group 2 till group 1 exam you will study. So 3 revision is required in case if you want to clear. So where we have to study, how we have to study, class notes, whatever notes you had, whatever book, whatever author teacher you have followed, that plus module illustrations plus RTP 2 attempts, May 23, November 22, plus mock test paper, May 23, November 22, plus November 23, which will be out very soon, and obviously November 23 RTP also, which will be out by ICA. This you have to solve. If you do this much, for sure you are clear CA intern, for sure. So guys, either of the group people follow this timetable. You can click the photo, you can write. This is your revision schedule. When you think for 3 revision, at least 2 you will revise. People appearing for one group, for people appearing for both the groups, this is your timing. 31st August is your due date, D date, deadline we say. September revision, October revision. Revision videos will come in the month of mid-September for law also, for audit also. Currently what we are doing, we are selling our recorded lecture for interlaw at 2499. It's 100 hours batch. You can buy it from 844-844-8919, or you can visit letslearnindia.in. You'll get one main book, one compiler which covers all past question, and one MCQ book. Same audit का भी एक fast track है. Audit is super fast track batch. It is again of 2499. There you will get my main book plus a MCQ book. Same price. Interlaw 2499, inter-audit 2499. The only difference is interlaw is a regular batch, inter-audit is fast track batch. Inter-audit ka regular batch is also there, but that is around 3500 approx, 3500 for 4000 rupees. The difference there is regular batch is 100 hours and super fast track is around approximately, I think 40 hours, 40-45 hours. So you can contact, you can visit the website www.letslearnindia.in, or you can call 844-844-8919 or 9987-045-565. Guys, things are in your hand. You can definitely do it, but you need to work more harder. I am there to support you. We'll have a lot of revisions this time on YouTube. Keep subscribing to the channel, share with your friends, and be regular when I take live sessions, and follow the timetable very strictly. Once you follow the timetable, guys, you can definitely make it. So if you follow the timetable, you are for sure you will be in CA final. And it's my humble advice, if you can make for both the groups, go for both the groups. Agar group 1 if you are cleared, group 2 ka benefit May 24 में would be definitely be there. If imagine you have cleared only audit paper, or if you have cleared your eco FM paper, still you are group 2 clear. So I say will bring a lot of guidelines there. So appear for both the group, because audit mein there are 2 leaves because of Diwali. Please take maximum benefit. Okay, keep smiling guys. Abki baar, aakhri baar, abki baar November par. This time, last time. Bye guys, take care, enjoy.